Setomatic Spider Wash, your end-to-end laundry payment solution. Since 1968, Setomatic Systems has been revolutionizing payments in the commercial laundry industry. Spider Wash was the first wireless, cloud-based credit card system introduced in the commercial laundry market. Today, it is the most advanced and easy-to-use laundry payment system compatible with any laundry machine maker model. What makes it so user-friendly? These days, your customers want a secure, reliable, and convenient payment experience. Accepting all forms of payment directly at the washer and dryer allows your customers to pay for their wash the same way they pay for everything else they buy. Spider Wash enables your laundromat to accept multiple cutting-edge forms of payment directly at the washer and dryer, like contactless tap-and-go credit cards, NFC mobile payments via Apple, Google, Samsung Pay, and magnetic stripe credit cards. I love that I can use my contactless credit card at this laundromat. Agreed. I passed 2 other laundromats just to visit this one. And did you know you also earn credits toward a free wash here? Yeah, I just earned mine today and didn't have to register any personal data to get it. Want to increase brand loyalty at your laundry? No problem. With Spider Wash, you can link loyalty perks to credit, debit, or laundry cards. This unmatched flexibility gives your laundry the advantage it needs to succeed in today's competitive market. With our easy-to-use and secure business management portal, you can view all reports remotely to help run your business more efficiently and effectively from wherever you are. Our technology helps you make smarter business decisions and increase customer loyalty. Experience the Spider Wash advantage and learn why customers have trusted us with their laundry payments for over 50 years. Contact us today to learn more.